Welcome back to Journey Friends. So we are actually finally here. It's actually Saturday. We're coming in a little early, so we don't close until Tuesday. So you'll actually already be seeing this, but by the time we close and they actually do a delivery, but we're here to do our final deposit and then actually go walk around and take a look at it. So let's head inside. Let's get the man paid, and then we'll see you over at the house. Everyone's leaving me. Coming back. Oh, he's getting the stairs. I was like, where are we going? Taking us through the tunnels. So we're actually going to come look at the house first and then go inside, which is good for us. So, but they got it all wrapped up. It looks pretty nice. This is the wrong color. Not just.
That would be terrible. It's like that's the only option we have.
Yeah, I know.
Gray or brown?
Head on.
I'm gonna stay behind you.
Okay.
Said I can't be in video, so I gotta stay out of it.
That's fine. I can blur you out.
Okay, cool.
Or even just cut it out. It's fine.
No, you're good. I just wanted to give you a heads up.
Kitchen.
Hi, for you guys.
Yeah. Kitchen. Ooh. And then coming back. Laundry.
This is the smallest one, it's ours, and then the second biggest one is y'all's, because it's two of y'all.
Yeah.
The sun's right there.
Ooh, nice.
Isn't it cute?
It's our bedroom.
Yep.
And our closet goes into the other side. Right now we ain't got a closet. So. And then a big opening where they connect both houses together.
And then this is all my side.
Yeah. Okay. Now coming over to the living room. And then this comes into the other kids' room. And then that part in there would be where our closet is, because this closet only comes like halfway. See? Nice. Yep, because it has like a little half wall, right? This will be Grandma and Grandpa's room, or Grandma and my mom's room. Nice and big. Yeah. Then you can see where there'll be trim work, stuff like that, which anything like this, will be easy to fix after delivery. But yeah. And then the doors, so that they'll make sure everything gets put together, but it's all, actual and this is an interior 2x4 or 2x3, I guess, the interior walls. Exterior walls should be 2x4. So, what do you think, Ma?
This is nice.
Gonna be nice?
Yes.
Yes.
The way I want my room.
A nice big room. Yeah, your bedroom should be nice and big, yeah.
God, this is nice.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Well, so far it's looking really nice. Everyone's liking it. Obviously, it's a lot of cleaning. Obviously, right? Once it's all done, it'll get cleaned up. Make sure all the trim work and stuff. We'll be able to walk through and actually say, hey, this needs done, type thing. But right now we're hopefully Tuesday, Wednesday. I'll find out and then let y'all know. And then boom, just like that, it's the very next day. So we got the man paid. house is all the deposits are finally done. And as of right now, we are looking at a possible delivery for Wednesday, hump day, what? So, yeah. So hopefully within the next couple of days, we'll have a house sitting here. So that's exciting. Super exciting. Obviously, I still need to get the parts needed for the pole, for the service pole. I'm still in talks with the electric company. I've already left a message. I'll probably just try to give him a call back tomorrow, because we need, from that pole over there, wires ran all the way down, and then where I have that pole sitting, I say, let me get you flipped around. So where I have that T-post sitting with the T-post driver on it, I would like the other pole, the big pole with a transformer, to sit there, and then our service pole would sit here. The reason why I would like that is because I plan on extending the driveway coming all the way down, right? Stumps need to be removed, but then the driveway would continue to come here on the far side of that T-post, right? And then we'll have a parking area back here for grandma. So I can take down 2 small trees, and then there's a few stumps in here that need to be taken out. We've already, have talked with Gumby, and he's like, yeah, he's more than happy with helping with his backhoe. Just the issue with that is transportation, right? So to be able to get his backhoe over here, we would need to help pay for that. So that's not an issue, right? I do not mind doing that, paying for the fuel, paying for the transportation. It's just now we need to put that into our budget to be able to get that over here, right? So, because the biggest thing that we still need to do with this, obviously, is power, number 1, and then water is number 2. So we need to get the trenching machine to be able to get water all the way from the well house, right? Well house all the way over here. And then after the water is done, then sewer is going to be last, right? So, because I'm fine with gray water, because I'll probably even have gray water going straight to the ground off the bat. But I do want to get all of the black water going to septic. So, but I will be doing that last. So if we have water, I can at least, we can come over here to shower. We can use the sinks and stuff like that. We won't be able to utilize the toilet, right? Gladys always makes fun of me of how I say that, toilet, right? But anyway, that will be last, getting all that hooked up. And hopefully from where everything is located, of where the house is, because it's the house obviously sitting here, right? And all the hookups are going to be right in this area, pretty close to, the back side of the house. And they need to come here. Well, this tank is almost, same height, maybe a little higher than what that is. So I don't know. It depends on what the distance. So I know from there to the tank is roughly 60 something feet, and I need it to drop. So from that location to the tank, I need it to drop 8 inches to be able to have the correct fall. I think is what I'd work that out to be. So, and that's going to be a straight shot, right? Going to where the tank is. And then right at the connection of the tank, it has kind of like a 45 and then a 90. So, yeah, not ideal. You would want it to be more going directly into the tank, but being able to get another tank installed right now is just out of the picture. So we're going to make do with what we have. And like I said, we'll continue to utilize the RV for being able to utilize the toilet and things. It's not going to get winterized right away. Plus, we're still waiting to hear because one of Gladys's sisters may be moving up here from Texas. So, and if that happens, they're going to stay in the RV temporarily until they get their property. So, regardless, it's not going to move from its location until we know that either they are 100% guaranteed not to be coming, or we no longer need to utilize it for, the sewer type stuff or any of those things, right? So, yep, that's it. That's all we got going for y'all. So, I know this is more of a vlog, Vice building stuff. I'm going to be getting back over to the shop build here coming pretty soon. Today, as I'm recording this right now, Sunday. So yesterday we paid the last bit of the deposit. Saturday, we actually have some tournaments we're going to go watch. Some of the kiddos, not our kiddos, right? But we're going to go watch some tournaments, and then we'll come back and may get to work. I don't know. I might just take a day off and then get busy on Monday with the shop build. So we definitely thank you guys for following in on our journey, helping us grow, sharing us out. It's greatly appreciated. Even though our growth is really slow, I don't know. It's the whole algorithm thing. I just don't get it sometimes, but it is what it is. But we definitely thank everybody that's here, continuing to watch our journey and sharing us out, hitting that like, hitting that subscribe if you've made it this far and you're new here. We greatly appreciate it. And then, yeah, that's it. That's what we got. So check out this video right here. If you want to stick around a little bit longer, we have the entire year's playlist over on this side. Then the icons at the top make it easy to subscribe both here and to our side channel. Go check it out. It's greatly appreciated. And then last but not least, always thank a veteran every chance you get, not only on Veterans Day. We'll see you on the next one. Later, y'all.